Hi, hello everyone. So now I'm gonna showing to you my pork salad recipe. It's very simple and it's very quick to do. So this is my way on how I do it. So my ingredients are, from here I have this 1 cup of Chinese cabbage, and then a pork, of course. So it is a Porsas Olcofile Pihivi. Now I'm going to use this for the salad. And then the third ingredients are this lieme. So I'm gonna using this one also. You can find this extra liha lieme, something like this from Maggi, and I'm using that one. And then I'm gonna using also this one is the palm sugar. So if you don't have palm sugar, you can use also this normal refined sugar. So as your desired taste, you can put it. But this time I'm gonna using this one very small. Then I have these chili flakes. So like that. So this is that one. So I'm gonna using something like 1 teaspoon of that. Then from here are the lemons. This is an optional, you can use it is a lemon leaves. I like to use lemon leaves because of the aroma to the salad. It's very good. Then shallot sipuli and a very thin slice of lemongrass. So lemongrass in this salad, for me, it's very good, and it tastes different. So usually that when you put this lemongrass, it's the taste and everything together with this all. And also I have this spring onion, so I put that spring onion also. And this one I have in here this sinanlag na siya, sinanlag nga rice. So I chop, and yeah, so let's begin. So to the pan, you have to put a little bit water to it. To that, I will be putting the Maggi bouillon. I'm gonna putting this one to there. So you let it melt. We have to melt it first. The sugar. I'm gonna put in this lemongrass to it, because I want the lemongrass to a little bit cook also, because I want to eat it together with the salad. And I'm gonna put in this one. So that one. So guys, if you have a chicken stock, pork stock, that's also one of the good options, but I will do this way, that I put this extra lieme and Maggi. And to that, I'm gonna put in this one in there. So, ganyan. Unti-unti nang nag-evaporate yung liquids. So, and then the meat is quite tender already. So, turn off the heat. Then, let's put the salad. Let's put this there. And then this one they're all. So the remaining spices we put there. Little bit more, so that much only. And mix. So you squeeze lime to there, like that. And this one. Tasty. So now I need a little bit of fish sauce to it. So I'm gonna put in a little bit of fish sauce. So fish sauce, very little, like that. And then after that, taste, and if you want sugar more, you can put also. Very fresh. The salad is crispy, and yeah, it's very tasty.